Hello everyone, welcome to Lowcode FX. In this video we are going to see how we can add a nested galleries. So if you see here, we have a group names at the top, and for each group we have a set of colors. So this is nothing but one collection, and we have utilized two different galleries to display these cards. So let's see. So on visible of this screen, I will create one collection, clear collect, call nested gal, comma, I have a JSON consist of group name and color code. So basically it's kind of group of colors, and objective is to create cards where we can display a group name and respective set of colors. Let's add a gallery, vertical gallery, blank here, and within this gallery I will set it to layout of 3. Yes, let me remove the image. Yes, within this I will add a label, this one, so we can display a group name. And so this is my parent gallery. I will pass that collection, call nested gal. Yes, so currently it's displaying color codes. So here we have total 8 groups, so we should have 8 entries in the gallery. Add a group by, yes, then our group name, then color code. So now if you see, this is nothing but a group name. Yes, make it bold. So this is my parent gallery, and this is the one card of the gallery. So within this I will add another gallery. So let me add horizontal gallery to display the colors, and adjust height and width, this, perfect. And I will set template size to 40 maybe. Yes, and within this I need a rectangle to display the, like this, to display the color. Now so in this gallery, in the data source, we need to pass the same collection, call collect, right? But this time I need to filter it out with filter this collection, where group name is equal to this item dot group name. So now as it's a child gallery, can include this property within the data source, bracket close, and now you can see different colors. Let's set this color property of rectangle. I will set color value this item dot color code. Perfect. Left hand side you can see this is parent gallery and this is child gallery. Yeah, subscribe for more videos.